Hey, Cyber Tutors. Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Concepts series, and an extra special shout out to one of our awesome subscribers who asked us to share more study materials. Thanks to you, we've just launched a brand new resources page on the Cyber Tutor website, packed with summaries, visuals, and cheat sheets to help you study smarter every day. Go check it out after this video. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most essential cybersecurity technologies out there, SSL and TLS, the backbone of secure internet communication. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and TLS is its more modern, secure version, Transport Layer Security. They're both security protocols designed to encrypt data between your computer and a website or server. When you visit a site and see HTTPS, nar in the address bar with a little padlock, that's TLS in action. It's keeping your connection private and ensuring that no one can spy on the information being transferred. Handshake. When your browser connects to a secure website, they perform something called a TLS handshake. During this, both sides agree on how to encrypt the data and verify each other's identity. Certificate authentication. The server sends a digital certificate, usually issued by a trusted certificate authority, proving it's the legitimate site. Your browser checks that certificate before moving forward. Key exchange. They exchange encryption keys securely so no third party can get them. These keys are used to scramble and unscramble the data. Encrypted communication. Now the data being sent and received is encrypted, so even if a hacker intercepts it, all they'll see is gibberish. That's the core of how TLS protects your data. From a cybersecurity perspective, SSL TLS is not just about keeping online shopping safe. It's about preventing data breaches by securing login credentials and personal data, blocking MITM, man-in-the-middle attacks, where a hacker tries to intercept your data mid-transmission, enabling trust in digital systems by authenticating websites and servers. Without TLS, attackers can perform sniffing attacks, alter communications, or even spoof legitimate websites to trick users. And it's not just for browsers. Email clients, mobile apps, VPNs, APIs, and IoT devices also rely on TLS to keep data secure. While many people still say SSL, almost all secure websites today use TLS 1.2 or TLS 1.3 because older SSL versions have known vulnerabilities. So as cybersecurity students, make sure you're studying TLS, not outdated SSL protocols. To summarize, TLS keeps our digital world secure by encrypting data and verifying identities. It protects against common cyber threats like MITM attacks. Understanding TLS helps you better recognize security gaps and defend networks. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment your thoughts or questions. Your ideas help shape what we teach next. Thanks again for 1,000 subs, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay smart, and stay cyber secure with CyberTutor.